Hello and welcome to Keri Systems Doors.net software installation. We'll take you through how to install your software from basic to enterprise. Once you've opened your installer, make sure you're installing the latest version of our software. The latest version can be obtained from kerisys.com. Click Next. License Agreement. Please take time to read our license agreement, and when you're finished, check the box, then click Next. Important information lists all the feature additions and bug fixes. It's well worth checking, and once you have, click Next. Please fill out the customer registration with your details, then click Next. Full installation installs the following: application server, clients Keri admin client and Visual Doors client, all gateways, then they're disabled or removed depending on your license capabilities later on. Basic installation is admin client only. This will install the Keri admin client plus Visual Doors client. This is for someone just wanting to remotely connect to the app server to administrate their system. Basic with hardware driver installs the admin client and gateway. So there will be the Keri admin client plus Visual Doors client and all gateways. Once again, these will be removed or disabled upon your license capabilities later on. This is for someone wanting to administrate a system and then possibly add a second gateway to an existing system. For this video, we will select Custom. Click Next. Here you can install specific clients like roll call, telepathy, which is the map client, by right-clicking, selecting will be installed on local hard drive. You can also specify database drivers like the application server or specific hardware drivers to the installer. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now carefully check over the items in green that will be installed. Then tick the box, click Next to continue. Here we're going to select the directory we wish to install the software into. As you can see, the default is C Keri Doors.net. Once you're happy, please click Next to continue. Now we're given the option of setting shortcuts, so feel free to set them to your preference, followed by Next. If you're installing the database on this machine, take the default, Install Database, or if you have a database installed on another remote machine, select Scan Network. If you wish to install the database later, then select Application Server Only. We also recommend selecting Install SQL Management Tools for future use. Click Next. Finally, click on Install. Install can vary upon machine performance and the amount of features you're installing. Once the installer is finished, please click Finish to run the license manager. Thank you for watching.